So hey guys, it's that time of the year when Google launches a new variant of its affordable A series of Pixel phones. However, because of the virus outbreak, Google had to delay the launch of the Pixel 4a. Yet the expectation is that Google will most likely launch the phone in the next 1 or 2 months. Ahead of the launch, rumors and leaks about the phone have started to come in thick and fast, giving us a good idea about what the Pixel 4a could be like when it's finally launched. The Pixel 4a has been leaked a number of times, with almost all the leaks talking in detail about the design of the upcoming phone. From hands-on videos to leaked live images, we have seen them all till now, with the latest even revealing the retail packaging of the device. According to the leaked videos and images, we can tell that the Pixel 4a could come curved edges with a thin bezels on it. There's a punch hole design on the display with a single selfie shooter. The back has a squarish camera bump with a single camera and an LED flash on it. At the center of the smartphone is a circular fingerprint sensor, just like its predecessor Pixel 3a. Also, in terms of specifications of the Pixel 4a, the device is going to feature 5.81-inch OLED display with a full HD plus resolution, and the device is going to support 60 Hz of refresh rate. The device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 SoC chipset, which is paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In terms of cameras, the device is going to have single camera at the back side of the device, which is 12.2 megapixel of sensor, and the front side will have 7 megapixel for the selfie shooter. The device is also going to have 3080 mAh of battery with support up to 18W fast charging support. As for the pricing, there are no official details about the pricing of the Pixel 4a, but there are some rumors which suggest that the Pixel 4a could start at just $399. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 4a, and I'll see you in my next video.